Top 10 California real estate exam questions you must know to pass. If you're studying for the California real estate exam, these questions could be the difference between passing and failing. In this video, we'll review 10 common multiple-choice exam questions, reveal the correct answers, and explain why they matter. Question 1. Agency disclosure. When must an agency relationship be disclosed in writing? A. After escrow closes. B. Only when requested by a buyer. C. As soon as practicable and before entering into a contract. D. Only at the listing appointment. Correct answer. C. California law requires agency disclosure as soon as practicable and always before a contract is signed. Question 2. Joint tenancy. Which form of ownership includes the right of survivorship? A. Tenancy in common. B. Community property. C. Joint tenancy. D. Ownership in severalty. Correct answer. C. Joint tenancy includes the right of survivorship, meaning ownership transfers automatically upon death. Question 3. Community property. Which property is considered community property in California? A. Property owned before marriage. B. Property received as a gift. C. Property inherited during marriage. D. Property acquired during marriage. Correct answer. D. Property acquired during marriage is community property unless it is a gift or inheritance. Question 4. Trust deeds. Who holds legal title in a trust deed? A. The truster. B. The beneficiary. C. The trustee. D. The lender. Correct answer. C. The trustee holds legal title as security for the loan. Question 5. Listing agreements. Which listing agreement provides the greatest protection for the broker? A. Open listing. B. Net listing. C. Exclusive agency listing. D. Exclusive right to sell listing. Correct answer. D. With an exclusive right to sell listing, the broker earns a commission regardless of who finds the buyer. Question 6. Fair housing laws. Which law prohibits discrimination in housing? A. Civil Rights Act. B. Federal Fair Housing Act. C. Americans with Disabilities Act. D. Truth in Lending Act. Correct answer. B. The Federal Fair Housing Act prohibits discrimination in housing transactions. Question 7. Transfer disclosure statement. When is a transfer disclosure statement required? A. For all commercial properties. B. Only for new construction. C. For most residential 1 to 4 unit properties. D. Only if defects are present. Correct answer. C. A transfer disclosure statement is required for most residential 1 to 4 unit properties. Question 8. License duration. How long is a California real estate license valid? A. 2 years. B. 3 years. C. 4 years. D. 5 years. Correct. Answer. C. California real estate licenses are valid for 4 years. Question 9. Escrow. What is the primary function of escrow? A. To set market value. B. To finance the transaction. C. To advertise the property. D. To act as a neutral third party. Correct answer. D. Escrow acts as a neutral third party holding funds and documents until conditions are met. Question 10. Market value. Who ultimately determines market value? A. The appraiser. B. The real estate agent. C. The lender. D. The buyer and seller. Correct answer. D. Market value is determined by what a buyer is willing to pay and a seller is willing to accept. If you want to pass the California real estate exam on your first try, practicing multiple choice questions like these is essential. Subscribe for more exam prep questions, practice tests, and study tips.